Going through immigration.
Good morning, officer.
Good morning. Please step up to the counter.
Here is my passport and my customs paper.
Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit to the United States?
I am here on vacation to visit the beaches.
How long will you be staying in the country?
I will be here for exactly 2 weeks.
Are you traveling alone or are you with your family?
I am traveling by myself this time.
Is this your first time visiting America?
Yes, it is. I am very excited.
Welcome. Now, I have a small problem with your paper.
Oh no, did I do something wrong?
It is no big deal. The address for your hotel is empty.
I am sorry. I was in a hurry on the aeroplane.
I need to know where you are sleeping tonight.
I am staying at the Blue Pineapple Hotel in Miami.
I understand, but I need the exact street name.
Oh, I see. I have the address on my cell phone.
Can you please look at your phone and tell me the street name?
Yes, give me 1 second. I am opening my email.
Take your time. We just need to clear things up before you enter.
Okay, I found it. The hotel is on Sunbeam Boulevard.
Sunbeam Boulevard. Thank you. Let me type that into my computer.
Do you need the zip code too?
No, the street name is enough. Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I fly back home on the 10th of August.
Excellent. Are you bringing any fresh fruit or meat with you?
No, just my clothes, my camera, and some books.
Great. Please look at the small camera on my desk.
Should I take my hat off?
Yes, please take off your hat and look at the green light.
Okay, I am looking at it.
Perfect. Now put your right hand on the scanner for your fingerprints.
Like this? 4 fingers at the same time?
Yes, exactly. All right, you are all set. Here is your passport.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. You arrived safe and sound. Enjoy your trip.
I will. Have a good day.
Finding missing luggage at the airport.
Excuse me, do you work at the baggage office?
Yes, I do. Welcome to New York. How can I help you?
I have a big problem. I cannot find my suitcase.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that. What flight were you on?
I was on flight 405 from London.
Let me check my computer. Yes, that flight landed an hour ago.
I waited at the baggage belt, but my bag never came out.
Do not panic. Missing bags happen all the time.
I hope it is not lost forever. All my clothes are in there.
We will do our best to find it. Do you have your baggage ticket?
Yes, it is right here on my boarding pass.
Thank you. Can you tell me what your suitcase looks like?
It is a large, black suitcase with 4 wheels.
A black suitcase is very common. Does it have any special marks?
Yes, it has a bright yellow ribbon tied to the top handle.
A yellow ribbon. That is a great detail. It really helps.
I always put it there so I can see it easily.
I am going to call the workers in the back room. 1 moment.
Please take your time. I will cross my fingers.
Hello, do we have a large black bag with a yellow ribbon?
Did they answer you?
Yes, they found a bag just like that near belt number 4.
Belt 4? But my flight was at belt 2.
Sometimes bags fall off or get moved by mistake.
Oh, I understand. Can I go get it now?
The worker is bringing it to this desk right now.
That is music to my ears. Thank you so much.
You are very welcome. Let's make sure it is the correct bag first.
I hope it is mine. I am so tired from my long trip.
Here comes the worker now. Is this your suitcase, sir?
Yes, that is my yellow ribbon. It is my bag.
I am very glad we found it for you.
Me too. I thought my vacation was ruined.
Well, now you can start your holiday. Do you need a taxi?
Yes, please. Where is the taxi stand?
Just walk out those double glass doors and turn right.
Thank you for all your hard work today.
It is my pleasure. Have a wonderful time in America.
Taking a taxi to the city. Excuse me, miss. Do you work at the airport?
Yes, I do. I am the taxi coordinator. How can I help you?
I need to go to the downtown area.
You are in the right place. The taxi line is right here.
Actually, I want to use a rideshare app on my phone.
The rideshare pickup area is on the second floor, not down here.
Oh, I see. But I have a big problem right now.
What is wrong, sir?
My cell phone battery is completely dead.
Oh, no. You cannot order a rideshare car without your phone.
I know. I guess I am out of luck today.
Do not worry. You can just take a yellow taxi right now.
I heard that city taxis are very expensive.
Usually they use a meter, but we have a special deal.
A special deal? What kind of deal?
We have a flat rate to all downtown hotels.
A flat rate? What does that mean?
It means the price does not change. It is always $40.
Even if there's a lot of traffic on the road?
Yes, even with heavy traffic, the price stays exactly the same.
That is a big relief. I will take a yellow taxi, please.
Wonderful. Do you have any large suitcases with you?
Yes, I have 2 large bags and 1 small backpack.
Okay, I will call a larger taxi for you. A minivan is best.
Thank you. Do the taxi drivers take credit cards?
Yes, all our taxis accept cash and credit cards.
That is great because I do not have any cash today.
Paying with a card is a piece of cake. You just tap it at the end of the ride.
Can I ask you for a quick local tip before I go?
Of course. I live here in the city. What do you want to know?
What is the best place to eat pizza downtown?
You have to try Corner Brick Pizza. It is the best in town.
Corner Brick Pizza. I will write that down when I charge my phone.
You will love it. Okay, your minivan taxi is pulling up now.
You really saved the day, Sarah. Thank you for your help.
It is my pleasure, Mark. Enjoy your stay in the city.
Checking in at the hotel.
Good afternoon. I would like to check in, please.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Star Hotel. How can I help you?
I have a reservation under the name Mark Smith.
Let me check the computer. One moment, please.
Take your time.
Ah, here it is. Mark Smith. You are staying with us for 3 nights.
That is correct.
May I see your ID and a credit card, please?
Yes, of course. Here is my passport and my card.
Thank you. Let's see. Oh, there is a small problem.
Oh no, is something wrong?
Your reservation is for a room with 2 small beds.
Really? But I booked a room with 1 large king bed.
I am very sorry about that. Let me see what I can do.
Thank you. I am very tired from my long flight. I just want to hit the hay.
I understand completely. Please do not worry. I will fix this.
Do you have any king rooms open tonight?
Let me check our system. Give me 1 second.
No problem. I can wait.
Good news. We have a beautiful king room on the top floor.
That is great. Does it cost extra money?
No, It is a free upgrade to apologize for our mistake.
Wow, thank you so much. That is very kind of you.
You are welcome. Here is your room key. You are in room 502.
Room 502. Got it. Where are the elevators?
The elevators are right behind you, next to the lobby doors.
Perfect. Can I ask a quick question about the hotel?
Of course, ask me anything.
Is breakfast included with my room?
Yes, it is. Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the dining area.
Great. And how do I connect to the internet?
It is a piece of cake. Just choose the Star Hotel Wi-Fi network.
Do I need a special password?
Your password is just your room number and your last name.
Room 502 and Smith. That is very easy to remember.
Yes, it is. Do you need help with your bags?
No, thank you. I only have one small suitcase with me.
Have a wonderful evening, Mr. Smith. Enjoy your stay in Chicago.
Thank you for all your help, Lisa. Have a good night.
Asking for extra items at the hotel.
Hello? Are you busy right now?
Hi there. No, I am not busy. How can I help you?
I am staying in room 304. My name is Daniel.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. I am Chloe. Is everything okay with your room?
Well, I have a small problem.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that. What is the issue?
My room is very cold. I am freezing.
I can fix that. Did you try to change the temperature on the wall?
Yes, I pushed the buttons, but the air is still cold.
I understand. Those machines can be a little tricky.
Can you send someone to check it, please?
Of course. I will send a worker to your room right away. It should be a quick fix.
Thank you. I want to sleep like a log tonight.
You will. Our beds are very comfortable. Do you need anything else?
Yes, please. Can I get an extra blanket, just in case?
Certainly. I will ask housekeeping to bring a thick blanket to your room.
That is great. Also, we used all of our bathroom towels this morning.
No problem at all. How many fresh towels do you need?
Can we have 3 large towels and 2 small towels?
3 large and 2 small. Got it.
Do we have to pay extra money for more towels?
No, extra towels and blankets are completely free.
Oh, that is good to know.
Does your room have enough soap and shampoo?
Let me think. Actually, we need more soap, too.
I will add 2 bars of soap to the list.
You are very helpful, Chloe. Thank you.
It is my pleasure. We want you to be happy here in San Francisco.
I am having a wonderful time. The city is beautiful.
It really is. Housekeeping will be at your door in 5 minutes.
Okay, I will go back upstairs and wait for them.
The worker will also show you how to use the heater.
That is exactly what I need.
Have a great evening, Daniel. Stay warm.
Thank you again. Good night.